Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix sound not working or audio problem in EDENS game. First method is to test sound quality. For that you need to open control panel and click on hardware and sound. Now tap on sound, choose your audio device and then choose properties. Tap on advanced and then change the bitrate. So what you have to do is to open control panel and then click on hardware and sound, then click on sound option here. Click on speakers, check properties, go to the advanced tab and here change the bitrate and test, and then click on apply and then finally OK, and then check if this works for you. Okay, the second method is to update your audio driver. So for that again go to the device manager over here, click on sound, video and game controllers, right tap on it and choose update driver, right tap on it, choose update driver. A pop-up window will appear here. Select search automatically for drivers and this will install the latest drivers on your computer and then check if it resolves the issue. The third method is to verify integrity of the game files. For that you need to open Steam, right click on the game, select properties and then click on install files and then tap on verify integrity of the game files. Now check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to uninstall device under audio. For that open device manager, tap on sound, video and game controllers, click on audio, select properties, choose driver tab and then click on uninstall device. So here what you have to do is to open device manager, click on sound, video and game controllers, right click over here and select properties, click on driver option and here click on uninstall device and then click on OK, and now check if this resolves the issue. After that update drivers of audio device. So what you have to do is open device manager and then click on sound, video and game controllers, right click on high definition, then properties, driver check and then click on update driver. So what you have to do is open device manager, click on video, sound, video and game controllers, right click on it, click on properties, click on properties, click on driver tab and then click on update driver option, and after that click on browse my computer for drivers and this will locate and install a driver manually. The next method is to disable all enhancement. So for that you need to open control panel, then click on hardware and sound, tap on sound, then choose your speakers, right tap on it and choose properties. So what you have to do is to open control panel over here, click on sound, right click on speakers or simply select speakers and click on properties, go to the advanced option and here disable this, enable audio enhancement and then click on apply and then OK, and then check if the issue gets resolved. The next method is to troubleshoot audio device. For that you need to open settings, click on system then click on troubleshoot option. So here click on settings, click on system, then click on troubleshoot option, and then for other troubleshooters go below, click on troubleshoot option, and then click on other troubleshooters, and then you can see over here audio. Simply click on run option. After this, check if the issue gets resolved. The next method is to disable Windows sonic or spatial sound. For this, you need to open the settings again, go to the system, click on sound, choose related settings, and then sound control panel. So what you have to do is to open settings, click on system, click over sound, or simply you can go to control panel, click on hardware and sound, select sound, here click on properties and click on spatial sound, and then select Windows Sonic for headphones, and click on apply and OK, and then check if this resolves the issue that you are facing while playing the game. So